Good day, dear students. We are now at Polynomials, Chapter 6. In this video, we will be covering the second subtopic, 6.2, Remainder Theorem, Factor Theorem, and Zeros of Polynomials. Let's look at our learning outcome for this subtopic. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to find the roots of the equations and the zeros of polynomials. In this video, we will be covering the subtopic roots and zeros of polynomial. So, what is a zero? A zero of a polynomial px is a number a such that p of a equals to 0. That means when we substitute a into the polynomial, if we get 0, then we call a is a 0. X equals to a is called a root of the polynomial equation px equals to 0. And x minus a is called a factor of the polynomial. Let's try example 15. Show that 1 is a zeros of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. We know if 1 is a 0, when we substitute 1 into the polynomial, we should be getting 0. So let's see what happens when we substitute 1. We will get 1 cube minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Of course, we get 0. Therefore, 1 is 0 of x cube minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Next, show that x equals to negative 3 is a root of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 15x minus 36 equals to 0. So, if we look at the notes, x equals to a is called a root if the px is equals to 0. So, we're gonna substitute p of negative 3 into the polynomial. So, negative 3 to the power of 3 plus 2 times negative 3 to the power of 2 minus 15 times negative 3 minus 36. So, we will be getting negative 27 plus 18 plus 30 minus 36, which will give us 0. Since p of negative 3 is a 0, we can say that x equals to negative 3 is a root of px. Okay, students? Okay, now let's see what is the differences between factors, roots and zeros. Let's say we have a polynomial x squared plus 2x minus 15. We can factorize this polynomial as x minus 3 multiply x plus 5. And when we look for the roots, we will equate this polynomial to 0, which will give us the value of 3 and negative 5. Now, factors x minus 3 and x plus 5 are known as the factors, whereas x equals to 3 and x equals to negative 5 is known as the roots. How about the zeros? Slightly different from roots, 3 and negative 5 are known as the zeros. Let's look at example 16. Find all zeros of fx equals to 2x plus 1 multiply x plus 1 multiply x minus 1. So, the zeros are when fx is 0, which means 2x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 is 0, which will give us x negative 1 over 2, x negative 1 and x equals to 1. But these are not zeros. These are roots. The zeros are negative 1 over 2, negative 1 and 1. Okay, students, can you see the differences between roots and zeros? And 2x plus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 1 are known as the factors. So, we have many exercises on this chapter. Please try the exercises for you to improve your polynomial. Please do not forget to submit this as your Google Classroom question. So students, I hope you have achieved our learning outcome, which is find the roots of the equation and the zeros of the polynomial. That's all for this video. Thank you, students.